Welcome back to the channel. Let me begin by asking, why is it that so many people, even without major illnesses, constantly feel tired, achy, and emotionally unstable? Why do so many struggle with sleepless nights, recurring colds, and an overall lack of energy despite trying gyms, supplements, or strict diets? The truth is, lasting health doesn't come from expensive treatments or magic pills. It comes from the small, consistent things we do every single day. Today we'll explore 8 tiny habits so small you can start them right now that gradually build an invisible shield of resilience within your body. Habits that require no fancy gym card, no costly food, no heavy commitment of time. Yet, over weeks and months, they transform your health, energy, and immunity in ways that even doctors describe as remarkable. The first habit is your morning glass of water. After a full night's sleep, your body is mildly dehydrated. Many people make the mistake of reaching first for coffee, milk, or sugary drinks, burdening their gut instead of nourishing it. But the body doesn't need stimulation at that moment, it needs gentle rehydration. A glass of warm water with a slice of lemon or a pinch of salt can awaken digestion, activate metabolism, and even relieve constipation and bloating. Stick with this for a month, and you'll notice improved bowel movement, clearer skin, and more morning energy. The second habit is 15 minutes of sunlight exposure. Modern lifestyles have robbed us of natural vitamin D. We sit indoors shielded by walls, sunscreen, and sunglasses, and yet vitamin D isn't just about bones. It regulates the immune system, impacts mood, fights depression, reduces fatigue, and even influences weight management. Just 15 minutes daily standing on a balcony, sitting by a sunny window, or strolling through your neighborhood without heavy coats activates the body's immune patrol system, boosting your resistance to illness. The third habit is walking 300 steps after meals. Ancient Chinese wisdom said it, and modern science confirms it. A short, light walk stabilizes blood sugar, reduces insulin strain, prevents fat accumulation, and lowers post-meal drowsiness. Even 5 minutes of pacing around your home beats collapsing on the couch scrolling your phone. Over time, this simple ritual reduces diabetes risk, supports healthy blood pressure, and boosts metabolism. The fourth habit is breaking the cycle of late-night binging and streaming. Many people think they're relaxing by watching shows with snacks at midnight, but the truth is, you're robbing your body of its deepest repair hours. From 11 p.m. to 3 a.m., your liver, lymphatic system, and hormone regulation are at peak function. Deprive them of rest, and they cannot perform their miracles. Over time, this leads to hormonal imbalance, weight gain, poor digestion, and chronic fatigue. If entertainment feels necessary, transition earlier, dim the screens an hour before sleep, read a physical book, soak your feet, or meditate. These rituals allow your body to enter natural rest mode. The fifth habit is deep breathing once a day. Here's the surprising truth: most people breathe shallowly, using only the upper lungs. This weak chest breathing starves the body of oxygen and leaves the nervous system stuck in stress mode. Practicing abdominal breathing: inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale slowly for 6 stimulates the parasympathetic system, reducing stress hormones, slowing heart rate, and lowering blood pressure. Just 5 minutes in the morning and evening can improve focus, sleep, and emotional balance. The sixth habit is stopping at 70% full. Our ancestors instinctively knew the power of restraint. Long-living communities around the world share one trait: they never eat to bursting. Science shows that light hunger activates cell repair, stimulates autophagy, and preserves insulin sensitivity. Instead of chasing expensive supplements, practice this restraint. Stand up from the table when you feel slightly unsatisfied, and you'll discover a leaner body, sharper mind, and stronger immune defenses. The seventh habit is learning to say no to draining social interactions. Your body consumes not only food but also emotions. Every forced laugh, every fake conversation, every meaningless dinner taxes your nervous system like junk food. Chronic exposure to such emotional toxins leads to lowered immunity, muscle tension, and even digestive issues. Protecting your emotional immunity means refusing unnecessary gatherings and conserving energy for authentic, nourishing connections. The eighth habit is always keeping one health activity in your daily plan. No matter how busy you are, carve out a slot for your body. 10 minutes of stretching at lunch, a short evening walk, a few dumbbell lifts, or 5 minutes of meditation. Don't sacrifice health on the altar of productivity. These micro-investments accumulate as compounded interest, quietly building a resilient body, stable emotions, and long-term protection against disease. These 8 habits may sound too simple to matter, but simplicity is their genius. They don't demand drastic life changes. They don't require iron discipline. They don't overwhelm you with complexity. They are achievable, repeatable, and powerful in their quiet consistency. And the results are astonishing, not overnight miracles, but gradual strengthening of your body's inner shield. A foundation of resilience you'll be grateful for when illness, stress, or aging inevitably come knocking. So here's my invitation: start today. Choose one of these habits, commit, then add another. Build your shield step by step. And in a year, look back not at how tired or fragile you felt, but at the strength, energy, and vitality you now carry with ease. Thank you for joining me in this exploration. Share in the comments which habit you'll begin with. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and send it to someone you love, because health is the greatest gift we can share. Thank you for watching this video.